Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be solving 2149, rearrange array elements by sign. So here, let's read it. You are given a zero index integer array nums of even length consisting of an equal number of positive and negative integers. You should rearrange the elements of nums such that the modified array follows a given condition. Every consecutive pair of integers have opposite signs. For all integers with the same sign, the order in which they were present in nums is preserved. The rearranged array begins with a positive integer. Return the modified array after rearranging the elements to satisfy the aforementioned condition. So here they follow the orders kind of preserved. Yeah, it is preserved. And then so what we can already tell is that it's gonna be even, right? So there's gonna be uh half would be positive, half would be negative, so we don't have to really worry about all that. So how we're gonna do it is here. Let me just initialize the final, right? So our final return would be the same length as nums, right? So we just do like times nums, and then we just write to this. So what we do is, for example, the next positive, I'll call it a p, right? Is equal to 0 for the index, and then the next negative is equal to 1, right? For the index when we're placing it here, right? And then we just go for I in nums if I greater than 0, right? So if it's greater than 0, then it's positive, and then we'll just do final at p equals I, and then we do p plus equals 2, and then else count at p at n equals I n plus equal 2, and then here we just return oh, we'll just submit it. They don't want to see us run it. Oh yeah. I wonder though if I put like a boolean instead of 0, if it would be any faster. Since it's just 0 bytes or bits. Okay, let's try. Okay, yeah, it's basically the same thing. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And then come back tomorrow for another video.